Exponential functions. In this unit, we are studying exponential and logarithmic functions. The function f of x equals 3 to the x is an example of an exponential function. Use the lab link below to determine the characteristics of exponential functions. In this unit, we are studying exponential and logarithmic functions. In the lab activity, we have determined that an exponential function with base b is f of x equals a times b to the x power, where x is the variable, a and b are real number constants, a does not equal 0, x belongs to the set of real numbers, b is greater than 0, and b does not equal 1. So why is a not equal to 0? Why does x belong to the set of all real numbers? Why is b greater than 0? And why is b not equal to 1? A cannot equal 0 because that would make this whole thing 0, since 0 multiplied by any number is 0. Why does x belong to the set of all real numbers? The base can be raised to any exponent. Why is b greater than 0? Well, it can't be 0 because 0 multiplied by any number is 0. This whole thing would just be 0. And it can't be a negative number because that will produce inconsistent and complex numbers. And b does not equal 1 because if b was 1, this would just be 1 because 1 raised to any exponent is still just 1. Example: evaluate f of x equals 5 to the x in these 4 different scenarios. A, f of 3. So if we plug 3 in here, that gives us 5 to the third power, which is 125. If we plug 1.5 in here, 5 to the 1.5 power is about 11.18. F of negative 3 over 8 would become 5 to the negative 3 over 8 power, which is about 0.55. And f of pi would be 5 to the pi power, which is 5 to the 3.14 power about, which is around 156.99.